Here I received an iMac. Apparently it turns on, Apple logo comes on, and when you see the progress bar, it eventually just turns off. It doesn't finish up all the way, and it does not start up properly. As you can see, this unit is actually sealed. This has been running for about 4 or 5 years, and it has been sealed the whole time. So since manufacturing, they never actually peeled it off. And I wonder why it's failed. Well, at the bottom of the iMac, there are air vent holes for the air to go through. And guess what happens when there is no airflow? Obviously, overheating, power issues. You can think about all kinds of issues, mainly caused by heat. So here, as you can see, the machine is turning on, and it should turn off. Let's see. Anytime soon. There we go, it just turned off. So I'm gonna boot into Apple recovery menu, and let's see if we can have a look at the hard drive health. That's one of the first things that I would like to check. So here I'm going to boot the system, holding the Alt or Option key on the keyboard, and turn it on. And we want to go into recovery. You can either use the recovery menu that's built into the hard drive, or you can download a USB version of one of the operating systems that is compatible with this system, like 10.13, 14, 15, or even 10.11, or even 10.10, etc. And put them on a USB, and then boot off it, and go into recovery. And you want to run the disk utilities first aid to see if there is any problems with the hard drive. That will be a clear indicator as to what the issue is without having to fully disassemble the unit. Okay, so we're going into disk utility, and we can see the hard drive there, and we're gonna run the first aid. Okay, and have a look at the more details, and we should see what the issue is. Hopefully we get a problem reported by the hard drive, and if that's the case, I do recommend backing up all your files ASAP. Use the command line terminal in the recovery, it's the best option, or boot into another operating system. Just don't stress the old hard drive if your data is valuable. As you can see here, we can clearly see there are problems reported with this hard drive, which is what we're going to do, just replace it, and we'll be good to go. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.